Hello everyone! Valentine's Day is coming up and I decided to make a cake topper on this theme. This time I won't go into detail on how I designed this topper. It's quite simple and consists of several figures and layers. So if you want to repeat, I specifically indicated the number of pictures, so you can find them in the Cricut library using search. Look, here are the materials I use for my project. Usual cardstock, glitter and clear acetate and foam sheets. And what we have after cut, all our layers. Today I am making shaker topper using new technology. If earlier I used foam tape and glued the border with it, I will share a link to that video. This time I took a foam sheet and cut out a heart shape on my Cricut. I cut foam for the first time. I chose the basic setting, but either my foam was thicker or the base settings of Cricut were different, my foam didn't cut through. I didn't experiment with the settings and decided to finish the contour with a knife. The result satisfied me quite well. I started to assemble a topper with foam frame. I used Berry Art glue. It is my favorite glue for paper crafts. My cake topper will be a shaker, and inside I want to add sequins and glitters. Mine from Dollar Tree. I mix sequins and glitter in a separate bowl and then fill our heart with them. The next step is glue the acetate film. That's how cool it looks. Love how sequins move. Now we connect next layer. Don't forget to remove the protective film from the acetate. To add volume, I use foam tape between layers. Our next step, we connect plastic stick to our base. It's important to do this symmetrically. Also, very convenient to do this on a mat like mine. I find the center on my mat and place the topper in the middle. We connect the plastic stick with a glue gun. And now our final step, connect the top layer. this is our final result. If you want more tutorials, follow my channel and have fun crafting.